Once upon a time in a faraway land, there were 3 kids who had to do their homework. But they didn't want to do it, so they came up with a plan. The first kid said, "I am going to draw a picture of a monster that is so scary that no one will want to look at it." The second kid said, "I'm gonna draw a picture of a monster that's so ugly, it'll make everyone cry." And the third kid said, "I am gonna draw a picture of a monster that is so funny that no one will be able to stop laughing." After they finished their pictures, they took them to their teacher. The teacher looked at the first kid's drawing and said, "This is scary, but I'm not afraid of monsters. I've seen scarier." Then he looked at the second kid's drawing and said, "This is ugly, but I've seen uglier." Finally, he looked at the third kid's drawing and couldn't help but burst out laughing. "This is the best one," he said. "You win." The third kid was so happy that his drawing made the teacher laugh. He learned that day that making people laugh is the greatest reward of all.